What we're talking about today is calling JavaScript function from C#. And it's something I have to do in a larger project I'm working on. So the two event handlers we want to look at is a button that calls JavaScript and the form load event. So if we double click and go into the form load event, this code basically creates a long string that's actually the code for a web page, but a web page that has nothing visible on it. It has a head and a body, and it has start and ending HTML tags. And within the head we have a script tag and a function called JSFace, which just does an alert to pop up a message box, JavaScript message box. And then we close off the script, close off the head, and then we have a body with nothing in it, so there's nothing visible. And then we use the document text property of the web browser to fill this string into the web browser. So this becomes the code of the web browser control. And as you can see, I've made the web browser really little, because unfortunately you can't just say web browser WB browser equals new web browser and then have a totally invisible web browser, because it gives you an error. But I'm making it as minimal as possible as a poor substitute. And then if we go into the event handler for the button, we just need to add the code that calls the JavaScript, which is now loaded into the web browser. And that code is actually a variation on the navigate. Say navigate JavaScript : and the name of the JavaScript function, and that's pretty much it. There's actually a ton of complicated things I looked at and discovered they didn't work, or didn't work well, until I came up with this approach, which is very simple, and I think simple's better. So if we save this and run it and click on the call JavaScript, you see the message box pops up that says hi there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot, and I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe.